If you're considering Agiloft Service Desk, there are some important things you need to know before you make a decision. With so many help desk solutions on the market, it can be tough to determine if Agiloft is the right fit for your business. So, let's dive into 12 key points to help you make an informed choice and see how Agiloft stacks up against other options. The first thing you should know about Agiloft Service Desk is its highly customizable nature. Unlike some competitors, which offer rigid, template-based systems, Agiloft allows you to tailor the platform to fit your exact business needs. Whether you're adjusting workflows, ticket fields, or user permissions, you get a high level of control over how the system works. Next thing to keep in mind is its no-code approach. This is a standout feature that sets Agiloft apart from many competitors, especially when you compare it to solutions like Zendesk, which can require coding knowledge for deeper customization. Agiloft's drag-and-drop interface allows non-technical users to make changes, making it more accessible for teams without a dedicated IT department. The third thing you should know is that Agiloft integrates well with other tools. Whether you're using CRM software, cloud storage, or communication platforms, Agiloft offers plenty of integration options, which means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues that could arise with more siloed help desk software options. Now, let's talk about the user interface. While it's extremely powerful, some users may find Agiloft's interface a little more complex than simpler tools like Freshdesk. If you're looking for a tool that's intuitive right out of the box, you may need to invest some time in training your team to get the most out of the platform. The fifth thing to note is Agiloft's reporting capabilities. It offers robust analytics that gives you detailed insights into ticket status, team performance, and customer satisfaction. If you're someone who loves data-driven decision-making, this feature will be valuable, especially when compared to competitors with more basic reporting tools. The sixth thing is its automation features. Agiloft stands out for its ability to automate processes, from ticket routing to escalation rules, reducing manual effort. While tools like Jira Service Management are great, Agiloft's automation can be more accessible and customizable, even for teams that don't have much experience with automation. Next, Agiloft's customer support is worth mentioning. While they offer extensive resources, including documentation and tutorials, some users report that response times for live support can be slow. Compare this to other platforms like Zoho Desk, which are known for faster, more hands-on customer service. The eighth thing to consider is the pricing structure. Agiloft offers a free trial, but it can be more expensive than some of its competitors, especially as you scale your usage. For small businesses or startups with tight budgets, this might be a factor to think about compared to budget-friendly solutions like Freshservice or Help Scout. Now, the ninth thing is its scalability. Agiloft is ideal for growing businesses that need a help desk solution that can scale with them. Unlike some platforms that become cumbersome as your team expands, Agiloft's flexible architecture allows for seamless growth without compromising performance. The 10th thing is that Agiloft provides a solid mobile app, which is useful for teams that need to manage tickets on the go. Some competing platforms have weaker mobile offerings, but Agiloft lets you handle most help desk tasks right from your phone. The 11th point is about security. Agiloft has a strong security model, offering enterprise-level protection that includes encryption and role-based access. If you're looking for a secure solution, especially compared to some of the less robust security systems of competitors, Agiloft stands out. Finally, while Agiloft is a powerful tool, it's important to understand that it may not be the easiest for businesses just starting out. If you're looking for a simpler, more straightforward solution, Agiloft's extensive customization options could be overkill for your needs. In that case, you might want to explore other options like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk, which are simpler to implement. So, is Agiloft Service Desk a good option? Yes, it's a feature-rich, customizable platform with strong automation, integration, and reporting capabilities. But if you're looking for an alternative that might be easier to use or more cost-effective, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.